Globe Core Iney unit. The Iney type units are designed for evacuation and vacuum drying of 110 to 1150 kV power transformer solid insulation in the process of transformer installation, servicing and repairs. 3 design types are available for this unit for operator convenience. Type 1 is a single module unit, which consists of a double-state refrigerator designed to achieve temperatures as low as -70 degrees centigrade, a vacuum booster pump, and backing pumps. Type 2 is the twin module Iney. The first module consists of the double-stage refrigerator and vacuum booster. The second module contains the backing pump with a liquid cooling system. The modules are connected by a 100 mm flexible vacuum hose. Type 3 is also a twin module design. The first module consists only of the double-stage refrigerator. The second module consists of the vacuum booster and 2 backing pumps. The modules are connected by a 100 mm flexible vacuum hose. The refrigerator can operate in one of 3 modes. First, cold accumulation, second, freezing, and third, evaporator defrosting. The refrigerator operates without the need for consumables to generate cold.